Hey everybody, welcome back to Smith's Customs. You got Jacob here. We're just going to make this quick. My phone died on the last video where I was installing the little piece of line just to keep this thing from leaking. As you can see, I had lots of fuel dripping out, and when my phone died, I had to go ahead and I had to finish this thing up. I mean, you guys were right there with me, and you seen 90% of it anyways. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what it looked like. Our finalized product here. As you can see, my frame rail's all wet down there. Drive shaft and everything, or not drive shaft, front drive shaft and everything's all wet where this thing's been leaking. So I'll show you guys what I did. We went ahead and cut the return line right there by the oil filter. You can see where that rubber line goes on right there and the two clamps. And then you can see up there by the steering where I have the other rubber, where the rubber line goes with the other clamp, and I just zip tied it to the main feed line to keep it from rubbing on the frame or the body or anything like that and rubbing a hole in it. And well, that's pretty much it. This thing's ready to fire up and get out of the garage, and then we can go ahead and clean this massive Valdez oil spill up off the floor. If you're just tuning in, hey, check out some of the previous content. If you're following along, hey, I appreciate the support. Like, subscribe, share, and hey, stay tuned. There's lots more to come. We got a couple projects coming up. I got a V-Star we got to do some carb work on. That's coming up next. Well, that'll be it on this one, and well, we'll catch you guys on the next one.